James Prime here, and recently I read a pretty interesting comment that reads something like this. Hi James, if you get to Taupo, go for an early morning hike to the summit of Mount Tauhara. It's a special moment to enjoy. You'll remember it until the day you die. Well, user 0112RL, here I am at Mount Tauhara. Unfortunately, I didn't make it in the morning, but I did make it nonetheless. But I won't be doing this hike alone. Today I have two special people with me, the youth of Germany.
Servus!
Right, awesome. Are you guys ready to go for this sweet hike?
Of course,
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Lost track of the forest through the trees, forgot what I was chasing. Spent so many nights living out at sea that my heart is gone vacant. And everybody who was close to me all stayed on dry land. So now I'm driving back on Interstate West, I just gotta feel something. Not gonna wait till the morning, because something's gonna change my mind. I don't wanna change my mind. Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends, and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life, for the good life.
So we're about halfway up right now.
Yeah.
How do you guys feel?
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Running out of breath, but we will do it.
We will do it. All right, let's do it.
Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends, and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life.
All right, guys, we made it to the top of Mount Tauhara.
Tauhara?
Tauhara.
I don't know.
No one knows how to say it. That's all right. How do you feel?
Amazing.
Yeah,
Amazing.
awesome.
Was it easier or harder than you thought it was going to be?
Harder.
Harder?
Afterwards, it's always easier,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
yeah, it was hard, but
I'm not. Yeah, it was.
Good. It was worth it.
it's worth it. Yeah.
It was worth it. Now, what the people probably don't know is it took us 2 hours to actually get here.
Yeah.
We walked alongside the highway. All right, guys, we're having fun again. Woo! Yeah! We met some cow friends along the way.
Really don't enjoy this.
Yeah, cow brothers. That was
Yeah.
pretty interesting. So, what do you say we go for a swim?
Hot pools, I
Hot
would say.
pools. Let's do it.
Do you want to do?